Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This vlog is about frying up some oysters. It's that time of the year when oysters are plentiful and plump and yummy. So let's start. We need some eggs. One, two, three, depends on how many oysters you're going to bread. I'm using 2 eggs because I have a plate full of oysters. And there we are. Break them. What we want to do is mix them well, but don't froth them. We just want to break up the white and yolk and blend them. There's oysters draining away. We need to make sure they're drier. Then I mix up some seafood flour, add some Old Bay seasoning to taste. My taste likes a lot of seafood flavor. So there's the Old Bay. Now I like to add in a little cayenne just to give it a little tang for my taste. Carefully use what you want. Again, this is all pretty much your taste. Sometimes I'll add in a little bit of lemon seasoning too. Now I'm putting a little plastic wrap over the plate that I'm going to put the breaded oysters on because they're going to have to sit for a while. Here we dip them in the egg, wash, and then I added panko breadcrumbs later as a coating on top rather than mixed in the flour. You can mix the panko breadcrumbs in the flour if you want. Again, it's all up to you. So bread them well. Here I'm doing a few of them, and you can see the coloring of the flour mix. Yum. Oh boy, just looking at these makes me hungry for oysters again. So as you see, I'm putting them on. They're not stacked. They're all separate so they can absorb the coating nicely. Now the other option is to use a paper bag. Put your seasoning in the bag, flour and seasoning there. Oyster in there, and you shake it up a bit. Make sure it's coated well, because the last thing you want is some oyster that isn't breaded. And here we go. Oh, look at that plate full. And a little action. Now here's the recipe, the instructions and recipe. Okay, well, time to fry up the oysters. So, we're doing a pan fry, not deep fry. Oh man, I haven't even opened this one before. Okay, well. Okay. Toss. We don't need much oil. Just enough, maybe a quarter, eighth of an inch. You want to warm it up. Now I'm using induction, and it tends to be a little different than the regular stove type cooking. So, to adjust it, you need warm oil, hot oil. The oysters are breaded. They've been sitting for a good half hour now. And we're all ready. Okay. Oops. Now this is basic fried oysters, kind of like an appetizer. Put it together with rice, maybe rice and beans, red beans and rice type stuff, or something like that. Now the induction doesn't take long to heat up compared to regular stovetop, gas or electric. This is getting warm. Try to gauge here. Use the hand that I can tell it's warming, so it's probably about 110 right now. I moved my temperature gun somewhere. And it's getting there. That's closer. You know, you put it there and you count 1, 2. Yeah, so it's getting close to 200 degrees now. That didn't fry, so we're still not there. One of the things, I love oysters, and Chesapeake Bay oysters are the best. I'm always prejudiced towards that. Yes, they're sweeter. Each river has its own flavor. The bay is sweeter naturally, so all of them are different. But you know, a little tang to it. Okay, you can see I'm starting to get a little bubbly here. $300. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so put a glove on. I'm placing these, it's a little cooler over by the handle. That's just because it takes longer to heat that up. So there we go. Now we're looking good. There's the big one. Okay. Don't those look good? Woo-wee. Just give them a couple minutes. Let them get hot. I'm going to serve these up. I've got some hot sauce, some seafood hot sauce, I mean. Where did I put that? Well, where did I put that? Got a bit of tartar sauce here. Okay, we're almost done. Take about a minute now. So, you can look. Just you can see when the moisture comes up, like this one right there. See that bubble? This is pretty much done now. Small one's done. Small one's done. Whoa, run away. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So there you have it. Pan-fried oysters. Mm-mm-mm. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and then subscribe. Thank you.